Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about the simple equations. Already we learned the last class what is an equation and what is variable and what is constant and what is LHS and what is RHS. How to find out LHS and how to find out the RHS. Just we have to recall the topics. Equation means which contains equality symbol, that is called an equation. So in the equation there are two parts, LHS and RHS. LHS means right hand side, LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Variables means it has no fixed value, it can be changed, and variables are represented by alphabets, small letters, and constant is a numerical value and it has a fixed value. So these are the topics last time we can learn in the last class. Now we are going to learn about the convert statements into equation form. Statements ni equation forms loki ela convert cheyali. This is also in our 6th class. Just you have to recall this topic. So how to convert? There are some tricks we have to. There are some symbols we can use to translate the statements into the equation form. Statements ni manu equation form loki marchalante konni terms unnai, vatini manu use chestam. So first one is sum or addition. Sum means what we can do? Sum means what is the meaning of sum? In our mathematics, what is the meaning of sum? Sum ante manam em chestam? We can add or addition chestam. Sum means addition. Sum means addition. What we do the addition? Suppose they give the statement y is more than 3. Y is more than 3. So this is a statement. Y is more than 3. So how to convert into the equation means 3 kanna y kanna 3 ekkuva kabatti the statement we can turn the equation is y plus 3. Y plus 3. More means we have to use the symbol plus. Y more than 3 means, or y is added to 3. Added also we can use the symbol plus. And what about the next difference? See, these are the rules we can use in solving equations. ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు చెప్పుకుంటున్నామంటే ఈక్వేషన్స్ని మనం సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ రూల్స్ అన్నిటిని మనం ఆ సాల్వింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ బీ కేర్ఫుల్ అండ్ లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ, కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మైండ్ ఇన్ దీస్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. సో మోర్ దాన్ మీన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద ఎడిషన్. మోర్ అంటే మనం సింబల్ రాయవలసింది ఏంటి? Plus symbol. And what is difference? Difference means, what is the means of difference? Difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Suppose they given the difference between y and 2, here is equal to 6. That is equation. Equation means must and should contain equality symbol. So difference. Here they given the statement is the difference between y and 12 is suppose they are given 3. This is the statement. The difference between y and 12 is 3. So this is the statement. So how can we convert into the equation? Here difference means what we can use the symbol. Difference means minus symbol we can use. Here y minus 12 is equal to 3 So this is the translation method we can use the statements into the equations. So what is the statement they given? The difference between y and 12 is 3. So what is the equation obtained here? Y minus 12 is equal to 3. That is another form is also there. If 2 is taken away from y is equal to here see difference means minus symbol, taken away means also minus. So there are so many terms we can use in the subtraction. డిఫరెన్స్ అన్నా మనం మైనస్ చేయాలి, టేకెన్ అవే అన్నా మనం మైనస్ చేయాలి. హియర్ సి ఇఫ్ 2 ఈజ్ టేకెన్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ y, దట్ మీన్స్ y minus 2 is equal to 8. సో హియర్ సమ్ ఆర్ ఎడిషన్ యాడ్ అన్నా మనం ప్లస్ సింబల్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. మరి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఎప్పుడు సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి, ఎప్పుడు మైనస్ సింబల్ యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఇఫ్ దే గివెన్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆర్ టేకెన్ అవే ఆర్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ అన్న మనం ఏం చేయాలి, మైనస్ చేయాలి. సో దేర్ ఆర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అండ్ టేకెన్ అవే. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద 2 terms we can use in the minus. So are you understand addition or subtraction? Now you can move to the multiplication. What is the term we can use in the multiplication? Product. What is that? Product. So what the given statement is, product means suppose they given 3x is equal to 21. 3x is equal to 21. Here they are doing product. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. 3x means 3 into x. 3 into x. 3 into x is equal to 3x. 3 into x is equal to 3x. Suppose the constant and variable we write together, that means they are multiplicated with each other. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏ సింబల్ లేకపోతే ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్కి ఒక వేరియబుల్కి దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఇంటూ. సో ఇయర్ 3x మీన్స్ 3 into x. సపోజ్ దే గివెన్ 7n. 7n మీన్స్ 7 into n. 5p. 5 into p. Are you understand? Means product means multiplication. What is the another term we can use in the multiplication? Times. What is times means? 3 times of p. Suppose they given in the statements 3 times of p. So what we can write in the equation 3 into p, that is equal to 3p. Times అని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా మనం మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సింబల్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. సపోజ్ దే గివెన్ 5 times of n. What we can write 5 into n, that is equal to 5n. So these are the terms they can use in the multiplication. Product will they given, times also they will given. Times means we can do the, in simplifying the equation we can use, that is a multiplication. And what is the another term they can use? Double. Double means we can, double means రెట్టింపు చేయడం. Suppose they given 2, we have to double the 2, that means 2 plus 2 4. Double means we have to do 2 into something variable x, 2 into x, 2x. Thrice. Thrice means what? Thrice ante 3 times more, that means 3 into x, that is equal to 3x. Are you understand? These are the terms we can use in the multiplication. What are the terms? Product, times and double and thrice. So these are the terms we can use in the multiplication to convert the statements into the equation. And what is the fraction? Here fraction value also they can use a fraction. What is fraction value means? 1/4 of x. 1/4 of x. Listen children, these are the very important topic we can use to simplify, solving the equations. ఇవన్నీ మనం చాలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సినవి. సో ఇవి యూస్ చేయడం వస్తేనే మనం ఈక్వేషన్స్ని మనం సాల్వింగ్ చేయగలం. సో 1/4 of x. What is 1/4? 1/4 means in the last fractions we can learn about the half, 1/4, quarter. So these are the fractions we have to learn in the last class. 1/4 means 1/4. Yes, 1/4 into x, that is equal to x/4. And the next one is half of y. They given half of y. స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇస్తాడమ్మా మనకి, దాన్ని మనం టర్మ్స్లోకి మార్చుకోవాలి. వేరియబుల్స్ యూస్ చేసుకుని టర్మ్స్లోకి మార్చుకోవాలి. హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ వై అంటే వైను హాఫ్ చేయడం, దట్ మీన్స్ y/2. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద టర్మ్స్ దే కెన్ యూజ్ ఇన్ ద సాల్వింగ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్, ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. And a division. Division means they are given directly. So y is divided by 2. That means y/2. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and fraction terms and division terms. So we can convert into the statements into the equation. అలాగే ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం స్టేట్మెంట్స్లో కూడా కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం నేర్చుకోవాలి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ కన్వర్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇంటూ ద ఈక్వేషన్స్. So we can use these are all terms to solving the equation. And what is the how to simplify or how to solve the equations? How to solve the equation means there are two methods, without transposing and with transposing. Transposing means what is transposed. మనకి ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ అనే ఒక పదం ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ transforming with terms from LHS to RHS, transforming from LHS to RHS. In the meanwhile already we learned the trial and error method also. మన 6th class లో trial and error method తెలుసుకున్నాం కదమ్మా. What is trial and error method? So this topic we will continue the next class. In the meanwhile, what is trial and error method? Do you know trial and error method? మనకి ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్తో కూడా మనం ఈక్వేషన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సపోజ్ x + 4 = 9. We can apply the x value into the equations. So trial అంటే x = 1, then 1 + 4 is not equal to 9. We can apply so many values in the x terms. So are you understand? Okay, thank you. We will continue the next class.